How to Remove Block List on Messenger 2025 Updated Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from the block list on Messenger in 2025 step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Messenger app. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and select Privacy and Safety from the menu. Step 4. Tap on Blocked People. Under Privacy, tap Blocked People or Blocked Accounts. This shows the list of everyone you've blocked on Messenger. Step 5. Select the person to unblock. Now, tap on the name of the person you want to unblock. Step 6. Tap Unblock on Messenger. You'll see an option that says Unblock on Messenger. Tap it and then confirm when prompted. Optional, if they're also blocked on Facebook, you'll see a second option that says Unblock on Facebook. You can unblock there too if you want full access. Outrow. And that's how you remove someone from your block list on Messenger in 2025. If this video helped,